So we have seen till now how do we construct a portfolio, how do we evaluate our portfolio. Now let's see how to revise our portfolio, or what is the need to revise our portfolio. So portfolio revision refers to the periodic changes made in the components of portfolio on the basis of the performance evaluation and investor goals. So in previous videos we discussed about something called objective of constructing a portfolio. So we should be continuously evaluating our portfolio, that we see that we are going to meet whatever is the objective of the investor through that portfolio. In case the objective of the portfolio is not going to meet by the current portfolio that we have designed, that will be the result of portfolio evaluation. We can go ahead and revise our portfolio. That means we can add or subtract some of the asset class or some of the stocks. Adding or removing securities in the portfolio is one technique, we just discussed it. Changing the proportion of funds invested in the components of the existing portfolios. Yes, this is another technique. You can change the weightage of your investment from one stock to another stock. Why do you need to revise your portfolio? Earn a reasonable return, that's your target or that's your objective of constructing a portfolio. Shift in investor goals. Now we need to construct a portfolio only after realizing what is the objective of the investor, or what is the goal that the investor is trying to achieve. In case there is a shift in the goal of the investor, you can redesign or revise your portfolio accordingly. Changes in the aptitude for risk, that means risk tolerance of the investor. In case changes, you need to redesign or revise your portfolio. Change in macroeconomic factors, that's basically how the economic analysis works. Increase in the disposable funds for financial investment. Now in case the investor has got more fund for savings, hence more fund for investment, you can redesign the portfolio basis his increased disposable funds for financial investment. So this was about portfolio management. This was about the portfolio management. We saw how do we construct a portfolio, how do we evaluate it, and how we revise the portfolio.